Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Owen and today we're going to talk about something that can make or break your Bitcoin investment. So, long-term strategies and how to actually protect your assets. So, if you're thinking about Bitcoins for the next 5, 10, or even 50 years, you will definitely want to stick around for this. Let's dive in. Why Bitcoin for long terms? So let's be real. Bitcoin isn't just some passing fad. It's the first decentralized digital asset. And there's only 21 millions of them ever. Think of this. Think of it like virtual gold. Except instead of storing in a vault somewhere, it's sitting in your digital wallet, ready to go. If you ever heard people saying, "Oh man, I wish I bought Bitcoin back in 2014," this video is for you. We're talking about building that kind of future wealth right now. Strategy number one, the hodl mentality. First up, the classic hodl. And no, that is not a typo. It means hold on for dear life. Now, Bitcoin is a roller coaster. There's no getting around that. But here's the things. Those who held on, who didn't panic when the price dipped it, are the ones who came out on top. Take a long view. Whether Bitcoin is at $20,000 or $200,000, if you believe in its potential, just sit tight and let times do the heavy lifting. It's about turning out the noise and focusing on the big picture. Strategy number two, dollar cost averaging. Now, if the hodl strategy sounds too simple, or maybe you're nervous about investing a big chunk of your money at once, dollar cost averaging is your friend. Instead of going all in, you invest a set amount, maybe $100 or $200 every week or month. That way, you're buying Bitcoin whether the price is high or low. Over time, this smooths out the crazy ups and downs and gives you peace of mind. It's like setting it on autopilot while you're chilling out. And strategy number three, diversification is key. All right, let's talk about diversification. Yes, Bitcoin is awesome, but it's smart to spread your risk. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put all your saving into one stock. So why do that with Bitcoin? Personally, I keep about 40 to 50% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, and I got the rest spread across other cryptos. Please, not them she coin, you know what I mean. This way, you're protected if one asset underperforms. You got others that can pick up the slack. Strategy number four, earning passive income with Bitcoin. Wants to earn passive income with your Bitcoin? Now, some people stake their coins or earn interest, which sounds cool, right? But it's not without risk. We all seen that happens when platforms like FTX collapse. So if you go in this route, do your homework. Only use trusted platforms. And honestly, for me, cold storage feels like the safest bet. Yes, safeguarding your Bitcoin, cold storage. Now, so let's talk about protecting your Bitcoin. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Get your Bitcoin off exchanges and into your storage. Cold storage is basically a fancy way of saying offline. You can use a hardware wallet like ledger or treasure. Once your Bitcoin is there, it's pretty much untouchable by hackers. This is critical, guys, because exchanges get hacked at all the time. If your Bitcoin is sitting on an exchange, well, it's not really yours. Now, password and two-factor authentication, basics but crucial. Don't sleep on this, guy. Password and security. Use strong, unique passwords for any accounts that touches your Bitcoin, and turn on two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This simple step can make your Bitcoins much harder to steal. Trust me, you do not want to be the person who loses it all because of the weak password. Now, seed phrases is your lifeline. When you set up a wallet, you're going to get a seed phrase. A seed phrase is a series of random words that are basically your life raft if you lose your wallet. Write this down and keep it somewhere safe. Don't store digitally, because if your computer or phones get hacked, it's game's over. Write it down. Keep it in a safe or a safety deposit box, and make sure you have backup copies in secure places. Next, avoiding scam. All right, last thing on security scams. They're everywhere in crypto, from phishing emails to fake gifts away. Scammers are always trying to get their hands on your Bitcoins. If anyone ever asks for your private keys or seed phrase, turn the other way. Double check URLs before login, and never trust unsolicited offer. And finally, let's not forget about taxes. I know it's not the best exciting topic, but if you're holding or selling Bitcoin, you're probably going to have to deal with capital gains taxes. Stay compliant with your local's laws, and if in doubt, hire a tax professional, guys. You don't want to be caught off guard when it comes to taxes on your crypto gains. That's a wrap. If you're investing in Bitcoins for long term, remember, HODL if you can, dollar cost average if you worry about price swing, diversify your portfolio, and most importantly, secure your asset. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. See you in the next one. Take care.